504 English essential words. Conceal. To hide or keep something secret. Hide, cover, obscure. He tried to conceal his emotions during the meeting. The spy was trained to conceal important information. She used makeup to conceal the blemishes on her face. The treasure was concealed under a pile of rocks. It's important to conceal your passwords for security. Dismal. Causing a mood of gloom or depression, dreary. Gloomy, bleak, dreary. The weather was dismal, with rain pouring all day. He felt dismal after receiving the disappointing news. The dismal state of the economy worried many citizens. Her dismal performance in the exam shocked everyone. The dismal landscape was devoid of any color or life. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Frigid. Extremely cold in temperature. Freezing, icy, chill. The frigid air made it difficult to go outside. They took a frigid swim in the mountain lake. Her frigid response suggested she was upset. The frigid winter left the roads covered in ice. The frigid conditions caused delays in the flight schedule. Inhabit. To live in or occupy a place. Reside, dwell, occupy. Many species inhabit the dense forest. She chose to inhabit a small town instead of a big city. The islands are inhabited by various indigenous communities. Fish inhabit the coral reefs in the ocean. They decided to inhabit a more rural area for peace and quiet. Numb. Lacking sensation, unable to feel. Insensitive, unfeeling, desensitized. My fingers went numb after being outside in the cold for too long. He felt numb after hearing the shocking news. The dentist made my mouth numb before the procedure. She tried to numb her pain with distractions. The medication caused my feet to feel numb. Peril. Serious and immediate danger. Danger, risk, jeopardy. The hikers were in peril when they got lost in the storm. Ignoring safety protocols can put your team in peril. The treasure hunters faced peril as they explored the cave. His reckless behavior placed everyone in peril. The children were unaware of the peril they were in while playing near the edge. Recline. To lean or lie back in a relaxed position. Lean, rest, lie back. She decided to recline in her chair and read a book. The seats on the plane can recline for added comfort. After a long day, he liked to recline on the couch. You can recline the seat to make it more comfortable for sleeping. He chose to recline by the pool and soak up the sun. Shriek. A high-pitched scream or cry, often due to fear or excitement. Scream, yelp, howl. She let out a shriek when she saw the spider. The audience responded with shrieks of excitement at the concert. He heard a shriek coming from the haunted house. The child's shriek echoed through the park. A sudden shriek startled everyone in the quiet room. Sinister. Giving the impression that something harmful or evil is happening or will happen. Ominous, malevolent, threatening. The abandoned house had a sinister appearance at night. There was something sinister about his smile that made her uneasy. The movie featured a sinister villain who plotted evil deeds. She had a sinister feeling about the man lurking in the shadows. The book's sinister plot kept readers on the edge of their seats. Tempt. To entice someone to do something, often something unwise or wrong. Entice, lure, seduce. The smell of fresh cookies can tempt anyone to have a bite. She tried to tempt him to skip the meeting and go to the beach instead. Advertisements are designed to tempt consumers to buy products. He was tempted to cheat on the test but decided against it. The idea of a long vacation tempted her to quit her job. Wager. To bet or gamble on the outcome of an event. Bet, stake, gamble. He decided to wager a small amount of money on the game. They made a friendly wager on who would win the race. She was reluctant to wager her savings on a risky investment. The two friends placed a wager on the outcome of the football match. It's important to know when to wager and when to walk away.